Fast, fast, fast. Everything's urgent and needs to be done yesterday. Sometimes all I really want to do is to leave the fast lane. Take it easy. Take my time to appreciate what's in front of me. And that's what I love about my car. Just set up the desired speed and distance, and I can cruise along at the speed of my choice. And when things slow down further, it makes adjustments on my behalf. Nice.
Prediktív adaptive cruise control and traffic jam assist in the ENIAC IV.
To activate predictive cruise control, pull the lever to the on position. By moving the lever up or down, you can increase or decrease the set speed in 10 km/h increments. You can adjust the distance to the vehicle ahead of you with the rocker switch on top of the lever. To further adjust preferences for the predictive cruise control, go to Assist Systems and Adaptive Cruise Control. There, you can adjust Road Layout Preview and Speed Limit Preview, which include Traffic Jam Assist. To exit, simply tap Menu. We wish you safe travels with Predictive Cruise Control, and we hope you're enjoying your new Škoda.
Škoda.